How to redeem Five Guys promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in Five Guys promo code and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get a working promo code for Five Guys. First up, I'm gonna show you guys how can you get Five Guys working promo code. So go ahead and open any of these websites. For instance, I'm gonna open this one website, worthpenny.com. Once you're on the website, you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for Five Guys. Just scroll down and check out the offers: 50% off, $30 off, 20% off, and many more. Here towards the offer that you wanna grab, just go ahead and click on it. With that, you'll get the code for it. Now you can copy it, then click on shop. You will be directed to the official website of Five Guys. Now what you have to do is log into your account, make your order, and proceed to checkout. In the checkout page, you're gonna find this section of codes. Over there, type in the code and confirm your order. With that, your code will be redeemed and you'll get the discount. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website, you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for Five Guys. To grab and redeem any of the code, you have to use same exact steps. So this way you can easily redeem Five Guys promo code. Lastly, what you can do is you can also give a try to other website, as other website will also provide you working coupon code for Five Guys. So that's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.